Hello students, standard 7 subject max. Today we will start new chapter number 5, lines and angles. This is the flow chart I have drawn. What are the points here in this chapter we are going to learn? This I have written. So first in the introduction we will learn what is point, line segment, line, ray, angle, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. Okay, this and this you have learned in previous standard also. This is new in standard 7. So related angles we are going to learn: complementary angle, supplementary, adjacent angle, linear pair of angle, and vertically opposite angles also we are going to learn in this chapter again. And then properties of parallel lines with transversal. Last topic is there. In this we are going to learn what are interior angles, exterior angles, pair of interior exterior, and pair of alternate, pair of corresponding angles. All these are in the last topic we are going to learn. This is new for you. And first and the second we have learned in previous class. Again I will explain all the topics in briefly. Okay, so here in introduction, see all of you, points to be remembered. This all flow chart points, all thing you have to write in your max notebook with neat and clean handwriting. See here, points to be remembered we are going to learn in introduction. Point, what is point? Point is a dot in the plane. In the, suppose this is the plane area, so if we are drawing, we are dotting 1 2 3 points like this. These are called point. Okay, dot is called a point. Okay, what is line segment? A line segment has a line segment has two end point. Okay, so here when see this is the line. Okay, when we are pointing one and two end point, this is called line segment AB, and we denote in like this: AB, line segment AB. Okay, and what is line? A line has no end points, means there are lot of dots in the plane figure. When we are joining all the dots, it forms a line. Okay, it extends either this side or either this side. It has no end point. Okay, this is called a line. Now what is ray? A ray has only one end point, either here or here, any one side, and it can extend here but not here. So this is the ray. What is angle? Angle, when we are joining two line segment and forms one angle. Suppose if blackboard is there and this side it forms one angle. This is called angle. When two line segments or line segment meets, an angle is formed. When line segments or lines meet, an angle is formed. See, this is one line, this is two line, so they meet each other, so it forms an angle. So angle, here angle AOB is written like this angle. This is the symbol of angle. Okay, now next point is what? Right angle. Right angle, you know, 90 degree, exact 90 degree is called, see, L shape is called right angle. Acute angle, less than 90 degree. So this type of angle is called less than 90 degree is called acute angle. More than, measure of an obtuse angle is more than 90 degree, so it forms like something this way: angle more than 90 but less than 180. 180 means straight line is called 180, but it should not be straight line like this. Okay, less than 180, more than 90 is called obtuse angle. Understood? These are the basic points that you have learned in previous standards. Again I have explained you. Now related angles. Which are the angles related? It has come in 6th standard, I know. So complementary means what? 90 degree. To measure of two angles should be 90 degree. When the sum of measure of two angle is 90, the angles are called complementary. This definition you have to learn for the exam. Supplementary, when the sum of the measure of two angles is 180, the angles are called supplementary angles. Okay. Then adjacent angle, this is, remember carefully. See, in adjacent angle what is happening? This and this, you know. Here see carefully, what is adjacent angle? If two angles have a common vertex means what? Corner. Okay, a common arm, this is are the common arm, and have a common arm and have the non-common arms on either side. See, this is the common arm and your one non-common, your common arm. Okay, एक साइड में एक्सटेंड होता है, यहाँ पे एक एक्सटेंड होता है. Then they are called adjacent angle. Suppose here you see this figure. Here one ray is, three rays are there going. Okay, and it has this common vertex. Okay, so angle ABD, DBC, two angles. Okay, so they forms this common B. In the two angles are there, it is having this common vertex. Okay, first thing this you have to remember. And another, what you have to remember here, BD, BA, BC, they are having common arm. So angle ABD and DBC are adjacent angle. Understood? Common vertex, common arms, and what? Non-common arms on either side. Non-common arms, here extend, here extend. So this is adjacent angle. Okay, now in linear pair, next is linear pair. Okay, in linear pair is supplementary form. Linear pair is like supplementary form. It has 180 degree total. So a linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common side are opposite. Means these are the non-common arms. If इसका opposite हो जाता है ये, अगर इसको मैं एक्सटेंड करती हूँ यहाँ पे, तो ये एक स्ट्रेट लाइन फॉर्म हो जाएगा. ओके, सो देखो यहाँ पे स्ट्रेट लाइन फॉर्म होगा. ये दोनों सेम है, लेकिन ये थर्ड वाला इसको हमने स्ट्रेट कर दिया. ओके, सो क्या हो गया? 180. तो 135 प्लस 45 इज़ व्हाट? 180. सो इट इज़ लाइक सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल ओनली. सो a linear pair is a pair of adjacent angle whose non-common sides are opposite rays. The opposite rays means one this ray, one this ray, opposite ray. The sum of linear pair of angle is 180. Therefore, in the figure see, AOB and AOC form a linear pair of angle. This way. Okay. Vertically opposite angle is what? See, if I am drawing two lines, one L line, one M line, like this, intersecting each other. Okay, this and this measure should be same. This and this measure should be same. This is called opposite, vertically opposite angle. इसका 1 and 3, 2 and 4 are equal. 1 is equal to 3. 2 is equal to 4. दिस वे. अगर इसका 70 है तो इसका भी 70 होगा, इसका 30 है तो इसका भी 30 होगा. ऐसा इन दोनों का सेम मेज़र लेना, इन दोनों का सेम. सो दे आर कॉल्ड, अगर ऐसा है तो दे शुड बी इक्वल. दे आर कॉल्ड ऑपोजिट, वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल. ओके, नेक्स्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो.